Repairs split ends and adds intense moisture to dry, brittle hair. Aloe and olive oil infusions promote hair strength and enhance shine. Shea butter formula and avocado oil increases manageability. Made in the United States. Crafted with our award-winning shea butter formula and infused with avocado oil, our newest repair cream penetrates deeply to prevent breakage, repair split ends, and increase your hair's manageability. Add intense moisture to dry, brittle hair and enhance your natural shine with every application. Enjoy the healing properties of aloe and nourish your scalp with olive oil to increase your hair's strength and elasticity. When used daily, Cantu's Avocado Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream helps promote stronger, healthier hair. Top reviews from the United States. Fabu. Fabulous. Baby. OMG. This is exactly what I've been looking for my entire life. It makes my hair feel so wonderful and the snarls come out so easily. I just wish I could bathe in this. If you're on the fence about it, just buy it.